Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, and today's Thursday, July 14th, 2022. It is 1:45 and 1 second, a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, lead in water. So let's up to it here. The study confirms lead in water causes adverse fetal health outcomes. Date July 13th, 2022. Source, Lehigh University. Although many studies have found a correlation between lead exposure and health, a causal link has been lacking in the literature until now. The researchers used data on the exact home addresses of pregnant women living in the city of Newark, together with information on the spatial boundary separating areas within the city serviced by two water treatment plants. And their study exploits an exogenous or external change in the water's pH level that cause lead to leach into the drinking water of one plant service area, but not the others, to identify the causal effect of prenatal lead exposure on fetal health. Researchers found evidence of adverse health impact. Among the findings, prenatal lead exposure increased the chance of low birth weight by 18% and increased the probability of preterm birth by 19%. And these findings have important policy implications, especially in light of the substantial number of lead water pipes that remain in use as part of the aging infrastructure and the cost-benefit calculus of lead abatement interventions. Researchers note that the crisis in Newark is not singular, but rather emblematic of the nation's aging water infrastructure. The researchers also note there is no safe threshold for lead exposure that has been identified for children. Lead collects over time in the human body through repeated exposure and is stored in the bones alongside calcium. In utero exposure is a particular concern, as lead in the mother's bones can be mobilized during pregnancy and released as a calcium substitute to aid in the formation of the bones of the fetus. And lead in the mother's blood can also cross the placenta, exposing the fetus to lead poisoning. Prenatal lead exposure has been associated with impaired neural development, putting children at risk for cognitive impairment later. The Environmental Protection Agency estimates that drinking water may account for more than 20% of total lead exposure for adults and 40 to 60% for infants. Drinking water contamination is becoming an increasingly important and widespread source of prenatal exposure to environmental pollution. Between 2018 and 2020, nearly 30 million people received their drinking water from community water systems that were in violation of the Environmental Protection Agency's lead and copper rule, which sets maximum enforceable levels of these metals in drinking water. They are glad that the urgency of the problem was finally recognized in the infrastructure bill passed by the Congress that includes funding of $15 billion for lead pipe replacement. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, and Pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.